from sewity.com, and I am so excited to share with you all about the new Cricut Joy. Gosh, a few years ago, I shared a video about unboxing the Cricut Explorer, and fast forward now 6 years, and they have created their smallest machine to date. And my friends at Cricut sent this to me, and I'm so excited. Like many of you, I'm kind of cooped up in the house right now. I have kids watching a movie, and I am in my formal dining room filming this and hoping that no kids will run in. So let's go ahead and open up the Cricut Joy. So as you can see, super small. I mean, there's my hand. I have really small hands. So yeah, super small. I'm gonna carefully open this up. I yell at my kids about doing this, but don't tell them I'm doing it. All right. And it says on the front, compact, smart cutting machine. I'm really excited. Oh man, they have it sealed on this side too. Let's see. I'm really excited for how I'm gonna be able to whip up projects even quicker. And on the side, it even says like, make happiness every day, make fun and functional projects, make something unique and useful at a moment's notice. That's what I'm excited about, because we're having a teacher car van parade tomorrow, and we need to make posters. So I'm hoping that I can quickly cut up some letters to slap on some poster board for our posters tomorrow for our teachers. It also says that it cuts all the popular material, ideal for making cards, vinyl decals, iron-on transfer, which I'm a huge fan of. So that's very exciting. And it writes and draws, just like the other machines. So yeah, and then you can see right here on the box how it has the vinyl that goes straight through it. They have specific material that's made just for this, so you don't have to use a cutting mat. And I'm super excited about that too. Oh my gosh, this thing is so tiny. I'm so excited. All right, so it comes with a little open me. And then inside the box is what the box looks like. I don't know if you can see it. That's the adapter, I'm guessing, for it to be plugged in. And it comes with a fine point pen too. Oh my goodness. My friends at Cricut, they think about everything. All right, well, I don't want to cut my new Joy, so I'm gonna do it like right up here, because I don't know. Hold on, let me make sure. Yeah, it's all shrink wrapped. Actually, I could probably. Oh look, little hole right there. Maybe I can get in there. I don't want to like damage it at all. It makes me nervous. All right, I'm gonna have to cut it, but there's a little opening right there that I can get. So I love how it comes like shrink wrapped. It's so cute. Oh my goodness, and the color, I love the color. All right, the other thing, so it says included in the box, you get the Cricut Joy machine, you get blade and housing, that's only for the Cricut Joy. You get the fine point pen, in this open me. Let's see here. Let's see what we get. You get a little standard grit mat. Oh my gosh, how cute is this mat? Perfect for all those scraps, you know. I mean, I save every scrap. You get the little starter guide. You get a welcome card. So this must be my welcome card, I'm guessing. And you get a piece of vinyl. You also get a free trial membership to Cricut Access for new subscribers, and 50 ready to make projects online. So I am so excited. And of course the power adapter. All right, so let's see here. I guess, oh yeah, this is a dual paper sample. And it just says, let's get started. You just go to Cricut.com to set up the machine. They'll walk you through everything. And then you use the smart vinyl sample. And oh, look how cute. And I'll move that off. And I know there's some plastic in here too that I'll have to remove off. I'll probably need to pick at it a little, but there's a little bit of like clear plastic that you can remove. And the blade is already installed in. So how cute. I guess you just take it out like you would any other Cricut Explorer or Maker machine. Excuse me. And then you would just take your pen, always put the cap on top so you don't lose the cap, and set it in, and there you go. You got your pen. So I hope this makes you excited like it makes me. And now I'm gonna have to go grab my computer so that I can do my first little test project. Please follow along at sewoodsy.com as I share all sorts of new, fun, and exciting Cricut Joy projects. Bye.